Hi, this is Dhvanisha. Today I'm representing habit tracker website. Uh, there is a skill test ask from coding ninjas to make it using nodejs and ejs. So first I'll show you my home page. This is the habit tracker home page, and when you click on get started, it will redirect you to sign up page. And here we can create an account by filling up the required fields. And then click on sign up. It will redirect you to sign in page. And here it says you are logged in, and after we logged in, here we can add our habits. So basically this web application help us to create, update, delete and track our habit on daily and weekly basis. It is a user specific application, which means user can track their habit and mark it as done or not done. So here we have used express for handling http request and routing, and also we have used mongodb atlas for storing and managing the data, and we have ejs file for rendering these views and templates. And this project is built using a tech stack consisting of nodejs for the server side scripting. So let's get started by clicking on add habit and see how we can create, update and delete the habits. So let's create a habit, let's say gym, and for description let's say cardio, and click on save. So here you can see this is the weekly format. So let's say I have completed gym on April 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th. But let's say if I have not completed gym on 9th and 10th, so I'll again click on, it will cross mark. So this is how we can track our habits, and also we can add another habit as well. Let's say dance, add description and save. So the same way we can add the mark done, that if we have completed these habits or not. And then when we click on show daily, you can see the daily format instead of weekly format. And here if you can see, we have the pencil icon. Using that we can add the information of habit and description. Let's say instead of Hollywood, and click on save. So here you can see the descriptions are added. And also when we click on the delete, it will delete your habit. It says habit deleted successfully, and then you can log out this page. Okay, so this was the website side. Now let's check the code. See in code, this is the index.js file. This is our entry file, where we have also used MVC model for this. For that we have model, controller and views page. So let's start from the beginning. Actually from the assets you can see this is the style folder, where we have css, images and javascript. Then we have config folder, where configuration files are added. For example, if you see, we have mongoose.js, so this to connect to database. I have provided my MongoDB Atlas link here. So I'll show you in Atlas how we can see all the user and habit data at the end. And then in controller, we have habit, home, and user controller files. So basically what this controllers folders it is doing, that it is like responsible for controlling the way that user interacts with an MVC application. So it determines what response to send back to users when a user makes a browser request. Then we have models folder, and for the models folder you can see we have habit and user. For the habit we are doing we are mentioning title, description, user, and all the dates. Then for the users you can see name, email, and password are there. And for the routes we have habit, index, and users javascript file. So basically this routing folder does that. It defines routing like using methods of the express app object which corresponding to HTTP methods. For example, get method and post method. Get request we have some get methods, and for uh, post request we have post methods. And as I said, index file is the entry point which is like responsible for our application to start up and routing and other functions like modules such as express, mongoose, and others. So here we can add all the functionalities to a node. Now let me show you my GitHub page where I have uploaded my project. So this is my GitHub project where I have uploaded my whole project, and I have readme file where I have mentioned all the description of this project with the path of folder structure, and also I have provided the live site on which I have deployed on the render. So by clicking on that you can directly come on this page, and that's all. Thank you.